Hello, good morning, and welcome to the beautiful airport of Tallinn, Estonia. It's a must-go city, guys. It's really cool. So, today we'll be speaking about enough and JavaScript. So, basically, a good online friend of mine has asked me how much JavaScript should you know to be comfortable with it, basically to be able to work. And yeah, and she needs help because imposter syndrome hits the best of us, I think. Or actually, it hits everybody. And if somebody tells you that he or she is not affected by imposter syndrome, the person is most probably lying, like 99.9%. It's a lie. So my answer was, well, I've seen the best of the best Java developers on different talks telling that they are still learning JavaScript and they still don't know it. And we are talking about the people who wrote the best books for the industry about the JavaScript. So my answer will be that with JavaScript, same as with almost any other programming language, it's not possible to learn it like completely. You will never know all the APIs. You will never know all the different issues with the language, all the different versions of the language. You won't be able to always choose the best approach and so on. So what to do? So, okay, there are two approaches. One is like mocks and certification. And then there is open source. So with mocks and certification, the problem is that, well, certification is useful and mocks and lead code, by the way, they're also useful. But they will only teach you grammar and they will set what you should know, which is not that bad actually, because, for example, Oracle Java certification, I know it's not a JavaScript, but Oracle Java certification, it describes quite a good topics. So yeah, basically, this case is quite good actually. You don't have to take it, but you can take a look at the list of topics and learn them on your own. Well, and lead code or stuff like that, it will help you to learn how to solve those programmatic tasks. Oh, it's my son playing around here. He's so fun. And the last option, which is open source. It's the best, I think, because you can choose the best JavaScript project you can find. I don't know, for example, TypeScript or something, and start contributing there. And you will learn the boundaries of what you need to know from the project you already like. So yeah, basically that's the thing. So for example, if you are participating in TypeScript project, which is open source and it's fully available, you will learn the latest TypeScript or the oldest TypeScript if you want so, which will be close to your needs because you've chosen this project my way. You've seen my videos, or you've been to the meetups, so you've chosen the project in the right way, and well, you won't learn stuff which you don't need, and you will learn stuff you should need. So for example, if you select to be a business analyst for this open source project, then you will learn next to nothing JavaScript because you'll be doing BA stuff. But if you decide to be test engineer, it will be another subset, and so on and so on. And this way this approach is much more flexible than the best certification, because TypeScript will be changing daily and the approach will be fine-tuned daily. So it's the best approach, I believe. You can still do some lead code, some certifications, it doesn't hurt, but trust me guys, just try it. And if it doesn't work, if open source doesn't work for you, come to me, to my meetup, to our meetup. Together we open source, and together we will open source. See you guys, bye.